Okay, so why is the flat earth is called a conspiracy? Let's look at the origins of the word conspiracy or what it means. This is the definition: a secret plan by a group to do something unlawful or harmful. And the second definition is the action of plotting or conspiring to prevent the course of justice. Whoa, that's some big words. Conspiracy is a stamp that the system is giving to a lot of views, facts, and research that is not allowed actually to be shared or to be known. Most of these things, rather than being stamped under conspiracy, they should be actually be the truths that needs to be shared in our time. Now, I'll let go with tons of other conspiracies that go into that category, yet I want to question why flat earth is one of them. Since when talking about where we live or the shape of it is unlawful or harmful? How could that be harmful? Oh, well, it could be very harmful to the brainwashed society and their setting of their brains, because that setting should not be shifted or changed. How could flat earth be doing something to justice? What kind of justice are we talking about? That flat earthers, or even considering some of the facts of the proofs of flat earth, make it against justice? Okay, well, conspiracy is a very new, modern phenomena. It is to stop us from saying the things that we actually need to say. Yet, why is it being applied to something that it was known for so many, 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 many eons by so many civilizations that were way more advanced than us? So many of us are so trapped into thinking that we are so modern and so advanced. And because we are so advanced, all that our sciences and technology has taught us is so real, and it has debunked all the ancient phenomena or whatever the old people, stupid people, believed in the past. And that we have advanced so much. Look at us, we have gone all the way for billions of light years away with our technology, and we have all these incredible pictures of the universe. Look what we're doing with medicine. Look what we're doing with brainwashing humanity and not even being aware of any of it. How can we think that the ancient civilizations who created astrology, astronomy, they built their monuments and their pyramids in the center masses of the earth with no Hubble telescope, no satellites, no nothing like that. Yet their measurements and their science was way more precise than we can have any of it right now. Well, first of all, if our science was that advanced, we could have figured out by now that how in the hell they even build the pyramids or other structures in the world that are still not resolved in their secret way of being constructed. By who? How? The same civilizations knew that we do not live on a spinning ball at a speed of 1,600 miles an hour, going around the sun at 96,000 miles an hour, and our whole solar system is going by thousands of that in speed in the Milky Way, and the whole Milky Way is going so million times more than that in the entire galactic outside world, yet we never feel it. We never feel it. Okay, so if the ancient civilizations were that stupid, okay, and we are so smart as a modern humanity, why is it that we are destroying the earth as a species of humans that have fallen from their integrity and beauty? Why so many wars? We're saying that the stupid people of the world believed in a flat earth because they didn't have any technology, yet we have all the technology to create so many bombs, advanced fighter jets, creating technologies of the modern medicine that are in some ways are good, yet in so many other ways very, very destructive. Pharmaceuticals that are killing so many people. How advanced are we really? The ancient people of the world lived on this earth. So many generations after them could live in safety. Yet we are so proud of being so advanced, yet at the same time, we don't trust each other. We have severe racism, sexism. The women in the ancient world were really respected. All the stories of humanity that have been vanished by our systems of control were about horizontal societies, not hierarchical societies, where the women were the center point of intuitive thinking and the men were supporting and protecting, and all of them were working together, so they were not powering over each other, but powering with each other. And we are advanced and they were not. So let's question this whole reality. Flat Earth is not a conspiracy. It's not harming anyone. To look at some facts. If we're truly scientific, we should be open to all facts. But how come when one talks about flat Earth, that brings up the deepest resistance in most people, deepest resistance to even wanting to hear it. The first time you just open up your mouth is like people want to throw it away and trash it as if like is total junk and stupidity. Yet, when you look at the globe side and who has created it, you will see it's all theory. It's all theory. and we're basing our reality on all theories? Flat earthers, or the people who have been researching flat earth since 1800s, included many scientists. The discussion then was destroyed, and now when it comes up, a lot of agents or a lot of people want to destroy it because there's almost no capacity in humanity right now to expand to that level of consciousness that it could be true that the earth is not moving, that it could be true that the sun and the moon are not that far away according to the flat earth model. It could be true that humans are here for much higher mission, living on a very special plane. So flat earth, I think what it does when we hear about it, it really disturbs our most core stuff. Because if it is true that any of the facts on the flat earth side are true or make sense, then that means it will demolish everything on the globe side. Everything. It cannot be both this and that. And also, the ancient people of the world did not believe in a concave earth, the same way that did not believe in a convex earth. Both of those models make no sense because no water ever will stay in those forms, and water always goes flat in every container, and earth is a container. It has all the flat waters, and then it has the land masses. And it's very interesting that the ancient flat earth map is also the United Nations logo and flag. What would that mean? Is there something there that we should know, that we don't know? So I would like to invite all of us to let go with the cement in all of our brains that is the cement of conditioning. This has taken many years to go into our subconscious. 500 years ago, it started, or even a little bit earlier than that we started thinking about the globe Earth, and none of the theories have been proved that are true, yet we're still going with it. The horizon always rises, only if it's flat. If I'm standing on the earth, the horizon is at my eye level. If I go on a balloon, the horizon is still at my eye level. And if I go in the airplane, it's the same. Now, if there's a ball, if you start going away from it, the horizon will fall away. I mean, these are very simple facts that they cannot be debunked. Yet we are living in such a psychosis that we actually think that it is possible to live on a very fast moving ball and never feeling it. And there is no heavy duty forces that are making humongous waves in our oceans, because the theory says it's possible in this case, yet no proof. When you look at the flat earth proofs and considerations and scientific questionings behind them, they make a lot of sense. I just wanted to invite you to look at these facts without the conditioning. Let's let go with resistance. It's time for humanity to wake up to a much, much bigger truth that we ever thought we can be awakened to. It's not about the extraterrestrials. It's not really about global warming. It's about our reality on Earth. Once that shifts, everything would shift. Everything would shift. Humanity will live in a very, very different consciousness if we knew that we live on a non-moving plane that is possibly infinite. But we would never know that because Antarctic, the ice wall around the flat Earth, is a no-human zone. No scientists, no researchers independently can do the research beyond it to see how far it goes and what's there. So we as humanity have the burden of responsibility to wake ourselves up. And I think this one very, very primitive fact that we live on an earth that is possibly and perhaps to a more, how do you say it? It's flat. Let's just say that. It is flat. Now that I know about this, when I look at this spinning ball theory, it's just such a joke. It's just such a joke. Let's wake up together, please. Thank you.